Hi, my name is Darina from Smonex team, and I'm in charge of customer service of our project. I'm the same person who answers all your questions and concerns. In this video, I'd like to answer the most frequent questions, to tell you what's new and to show you something interesting. First of all, I want to thank you all. You're the best backers and customers anyone could ever wish. We couldn't even imagine you like our product so much. We put so much effort, care and love into them, and we're so glad that they fascinated you so much. Thank you for all the feedback you gave us during the last week. Every single comment, remark and question you gave us means so much to our team. You gave us so many ideas and inspirations for the product development. Thus, I'd like to announce the stretch goals of our project. The first reward has already been opened. This is a new design we created for you, and we have already added it to the project description, so check it out there. And what is going to be our next goal when the project reaches 60,000? Yes, we'll present to you the new exclusive and limited color for the full individual and a party set. It is going to be black with white engravings. Do you like it? I do. Let's get down to the most frequent questions we received from you. The first one is, which type of dice is suitable for the dice tower? Actually, there are so many wonderful games you all play in, so we will be happy if you use it not only with D&D, it will work well with many different games as well. The tower fits the dice up to 20 millimeters. Let's check. Here we have dice from King of Tokio. They are 50 millimeters large. So here we are. Also, you may throw a large amount of dice at a time. They pass without problems. Have a look. We take as many dice as we have. Here we have probably 60 dice and throw them into the tower. Okay. Have a look. Nothing stuck there. Keep calm, the tower is quite solid. I'm sure you won't throw it at each other in the heat of the game, but if you accidentally drop it, it will definitely survive. Another favorite question of yours: will the coasters get damaged by water? It is made of plywood, which actually doesn't like to be soaked in water. But we covered the coasters and all the rest items with special coating, which make it more durable and resistant to moisture. We tested the coasters quite long and hard, so I can tell you that they will be good for a long time. However, please don't take them with you to the shower, although it is hard to resist, I know. Now let's move into the notebooks. I'm a girl, so don't tell me that there may be too many of them. Never. Have a look. It is light, solid, flexible, durable, just change the insert pages, and so beautiful wooden notebook. The paper we use is thicker than usual and is very pleasant to touch. You will be able to write and erase several times if needed, and the paper will not tear. As a gift, you will get an additional set of 80 blank pages, thus 160 pages overall. Afterwards, welcome to our online store smonex.com to buy extra pages and other exciting gaming stuff. The rings of the binder are quite good to put your pencil there, although they are not intended for it. And now let's move into the Pledge Manager. After the Kickstarter campaign ends, you will be able to choose the design and quantity of paid items. If you'd like to add something more, you will be able to do it in the Pledge Manager as well. We'll try to leave it available as long as possible, and the Backerkit is our partner who is going to help us in it. So here it is. There are many more questions and we try our best to answer them all. Do you want to know anything else? Then feel free to ask. I will be happy to help and chat with you. And now, as promised, the sound of falling dice. Just close your eyes and listen. We tested it quite hard and long, so I can tell you that it will work with the